the pool calendar. So if you go to Recreation and Culture, Swimming and Aquatics, there's going to be a calendar here for just all of our pool activities. So this is the familiar calendar that we've had. This is our embedded PDF you'll see right here, which has our monthly schedule. But we also have, let's see if I scroll down a little bit, keep scrolling. We have this link here to our pool calendar. And you'll see that we have a new calendar formed this way. And so if you're looking for just a specific type, right, I'm not interested in water walking, I'm only interested in lap swim, right? You can see, okay, so when does lap swim happen? Select, apply the selection, and now you'll see, okay, looks like lap swim happens every Monday through Saturday. It happens at 8 a.m. and once again at 1 p.m. So the pool is very busy, very active with a whole lot of things going on, and that's why we broke this down into its own calendar, because we didn't want to overwhelm our other calendars. So if you're looking for pool activities, the pool has its own calendar on the aquatics page. And just to show you once again, the pool is very busy, right? You see it's cutting off and giving you a view more, but if we go to a week view, and we go to October, you'll see starting at 8 a.m. all the way to 1 p.m. with a break there, and then 6 to 7 p.m. A lot of activities going on at the pool. What this doesn't show, but is also going on, is you got swim lessons and things happening. So the pool is busy even before 8 a.m. and it's busy between 2 and 6 p.m. too. So we're going to go back to senior enrichment. I know this is kind of long, but we're getting pretty close to the end here. But we also want to show you just a few more calendars.